Hey, do you know the two big truth bombs about successful people? I'll share that with you now. My name is Brinda Kalyan Raman, and I'm a certified EQ consultant, a trainer, freedom entrepreneur, running a business based out of freedom, that is, freedom from stress, time, and debts. I just happened to attend a session from my mentors, and I could not contain that truth bombs which were shared because the successful people, they are already millionaires, and if you are able to see and decode what they have gone through, you don't have to believe any successful people for that matter as what they display, what comes out as a external structure. But then if you decode and see their experience, because experience is never going to lie, and if you see that, it's like an iceberg. You don't have to what we only see is the tip of the iceberg, and that's what we're able to believe. But then what we need to see is beneath the iceberg, their efforts, their pain stories. That's what is determining them as successful. Really successful people I'm talking. I'm not talking about the ones which are making noise here. So such successful people, when they come out and share their wisdom, it's going to be gold mine, right? So I picked up two wisdom like that. So what I decoded was two things which is a pattern from any successful people that you can notice. One is self-discipline, another one is vision. The reason why I said vision as a secondary one is because without vision, I will be, that's my favorite topic, so I won't, it's not enough for me to talk about vision, how important it is to have a vision for in just 5 minutes or 10 minutes video. But what's more important is self-discipline, because that is the source of you having a vision, successful vision. Because without self-discipline, you're not going to get there, okay? So it starts with you, and where do we start? With our self-discipline, which means doing daily rituals. It's like brushing your teeth. Doing that one thing which you want to serve as a vision consistently. It's like taking a breath every day, showing up, because that's what is going to breed trust, right? A person who's self-disciplined, you can immediately trust him for any job, for any task, and that's what will enable them to a longer vision also, for a long-term game. So self-discipline is the source. It's an implied, there are many things that it is implied when I say self-discipline, but it's a source of success. If, for example, if you take athletes are, we pay to watch them run the race, right? But what actually going in their life is self-discipline is what is taking them to that level. And every day they may even be not aware of that kind of efforts that they are putting, what amount of discipline is required, but aware, consciously or unconsciously, what they are only breeding is self-discipline. And the second example is, in many industries which is taking a dip now because of the situation, what is booming right now, or I'm not telling the name of the industry, what I'm saying is any successful institutions which breaks through all this turmoil, challenges, and comes through is only based on their trust that they display with their people. The trust element is what is making people stick with them, okay? So trust is again coming from the self-discipline. A person, the leadership, or the person who builds that institution would have been really disciplined in what they want to convey and how they want to convey. So self-discipline is the shortcut. I would rather say this is the hack for you to be on your vision. And vision is obviously the second important thing which I'm going to talk about, because that's what is going to simplify your life. Because vision is what is, it's like having an eyesight and vision, right? Eyesight is different from vision. Eyesight is what you are able to see as what they are, but vision is what you are able to see what they could be. It's a little beyond of your hindsight, right? It's more of an insight. So for you to build focus, it's important to have vision, and for you to enable that focus, for you to be on the focus, you need to have self-discipline. That's the vehicle which you have to take for you to build the focus, because true vision will be really testing. Okay, there are many examples that we can give. Mandela, Gandhiji, they have gone to prison only for their vision, and it will definitely be testing for any normal person also. But ultimately it pays off, right? Because people pay you for your vision, they don't pay for your product offer, all that comes, brand, all that comes secondary. But what's more, under the iceberg is vision, and it gets translated into your product and your offer. And vision is going to attract right resources for you. It's so very true for me. It's so very true for many people I have seen through. It's going to attract right people, right resources, right environment for you, right kind of ideas. Even when I'm talking to my friend, any conversation that I will initiate or I will involve is pulling me back to my own vision. That's so evident, and I'm able to see the same pattern in many people that I have seen as successful people. When I talk to them, I get only the inspiration around their vision, and I take it because it works for me. And I build my vision based on those elements that I got as an inspiration. Because your vision is what is going to determine your net worth also. Because it is going to determine your network, your association of people, your focus, your resources, that is what is going to determine your net worth. Because when you are vision oriented, you will see that, if you want to find out where your visions, if you really want to find out, dwell on more of your vision, whether it's taking you in a right direction, you can find out that it's going to determine how you live. Okay, what you do in your free time, what you speak, what you're passionate about, what brings you tear in your eyes, and what you do when you're in private zone. These are the things which is going to determine your vision. Okay, so pick up one thing that you want to change through self-discipline and make that as a vision. I'm saying that will be an element for you, one of the elements of your vision. And once you're able to fulfill this one thing, you may be able to model the same formula for other elements of your vision. Okay, so it's best to have solid focus, because it's important to build focus for your vision, and self-discipline is what is going to enable that focus. When you have a loose focus, because they say in out of 16 hours or 18 hours or 12 hours of work, how many focused hours of work have you done? That is what is going to determine your output. Okay, if you really resonate with this, leave your thoughts below as comments, and I'm going to recap before I leave you. 2 key elements, truth bombs of successful people have always been self-discipline and vision. Self-discipline is the source of your vision, and vision is what is going to simplify your life. If you already have a vision, absolutely blissful, because all you have to do is just get your self-discipline intact, and your trajectory, you just keep moving in your own trajectory. For people who do not have a mission or vision, it's important to identify your niche, that is your unique positioning right now, because everybody is turning online, and online industry is what is going to be booming in next 1 or 2 years. After that, world is not going to be the same, and people who are very feeling weird about webinars coming on to camera, feeling shy about it, they're like, I'm not that kind of a person who speak inside the near the camera. I'm a techie person, want to work only in the back end. All that is going to be busted. So pick up your niche, build your brand, most importantly build your community. Use your knowledge as your message and find your unique positioning. Build your tribe, your community, because community based industries, businesses is what going to boom now. So build your community and nurture that community. It's like seed. Vision is like your seed. Vision will evolve. It will never get defocused. Your methods, your how to reach it, your strategies can go, changed based on the needs, the situation, the feedback that you get from your market. But your vision should never change. So before I really want to leave this conversation, two things: self-discipline, vision, unique positioning is really important. I hope this is useful. Leave your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.